Technofilms was an interesting submission because they'd basically taken multiple inks and multiple spot colored inks and reduced it to a 4-color set. So they don't have anything like the number of inks that they were using, and they've got a lot tighter color management.
So they set a goal for themselves to make at least 50% CMYK only, and they really had a concerted effort to just convert jobs over, just using strict process control and just kind of approaching it in a smart way.
So they were one of the few entries that actually stated that they complied with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, and that was impressive.
This originally was a laminated structure, and their whole approach was to move from laminated to a mono material, I think a microfoam polyethylene, and that kind of goes over my head. I don't know why that's significant, but the fact is that I learned that you can now recycle it easily. It's a much more sustainable product, but there were some print challenges along with that. When they switched to this new material, now they've got to develop an ink that can be on the surface. It can't be sandwiched. So you've got to have a much tougher ink.
This is where the world is going. The printing companies should be looking at how they can sustain their business, but also how they can contribute to the sustainability not only of the industry but of the planet as well.
To me, the process control and the CMYK just is just a good approach, a solid approach. But what was unique, I think, was the flexibility in which they took on this new substrate and made it work with the design.